Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project where the computer will try to guess the color that we guessed. So first of all we'd like to import time. So we're at import time, and also we'd like to import random. After we do that, we'd like to create a list colors. Colors equals red, blue, green, yellow, and purple. Next, what I'd like to do is just print sync of one color, and then we would like to print, we open up the brackets, we put a comma and write dot join colors. Yep. And then we write input, press enter. Yep. And next we'd like to do is just write for in range of, I don't know, for example 15. Yep. Print random dot choice from colors, and time dot sleep 0.1. and next prediction equals random dot choice colors, and then we print prediction. Yep, let's save it up guys, and now let's run it. So I'm thinking of green, so it thinks I'm thinking, okay, so let's write F you are thinking of yep. Now let's run again. I'm thinking of green again. You're thinking of green. It guessed. So guys, this was all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.